Yo peeps, we're there, live. Father Dippo, catch you at a lie, you don't know the Jamaican tree. Oh, your boy King James out here with the rich kid, as you can see. On the top left of the screen, wow, lad, Jacqui Briggs. We are gonna do our 69% fatal blow combo. I'm broken, you know I'm saying, block. Hey, we ain't messing around here, fam. Right, you know, the boy Rich Kid, I do this, guys. I'm not play Jacqui, you see it. But you don't know. Rich Kid, any last word before we try this combo?
This one is very tough for me, folks, so may God go with me on this combo, but I'll try to make it as less tries as possible. No guarantees, but, you know, still want to keep it short.
Yeah, man, I don't make it funny, I don't know, so let us begin. Bossy, there you go, there you go. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, damn, I break too early. But yeah, I anticipate too early. Sorry, my side. I will come back again. Take 2. You never break? No, you never. Dog, with the controller, yeah, brother. Yo, restart that. How much that? No, brother, come on for that. We don't want to see that. You say 69, burn the fire, 69. Come in, bam. Boom. Ready. Alright. Yeah, man, I hate that, man. Yeah, man. How much is the brother? Yeah, man, 69 Latina people, I don't know if anybody do this, but if you do it, that's how it go. But the first Jamaicans who do that combo, you understand? Any Jamaican who do it before, just go down in the comment section and tell me if you do it before, you understand. But you don't know, another video, another day from the Jamaican tree. Oh, you don't know. Yo, Rich Kid, how the combo did you go for your brother? Did hard?
I'm not telling a lie, I expect that for drop more.
You see me, that's the talent that we have here as Jamaicans, I don't know. But people, if you like the vid, don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, and look out for more content weekly, and don't know. Peace.